So you guys want to make a group chat in Snapchat? Well, this video is just for you guys, because in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can make a group chat in Snapchat, and it's pretty simple. You guys don't have to worry about it. It's not complex at all. But before I start this video, just watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused. And yeah, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. So without any further ado, let's start the video. To make group chat in Snapchat, first open Snapchat and go to your chats, which is over here. Once you're in your chat, basically you can click on this button over here. Once you click on this button, this thing opens up, and once this thing opens up, you can click on new group. And once you click on new group, you can choose which person to add. So let's say I want to add him to this group, and I want to add him to this group, him to this group. So search the person which you want to add to this group, and once you choose the person you want to add, you can click on chat with group. Once you click on chat with group, a group is created with these three people. Now to rename this group, you can click on this pen icon over here. Once you click on this pen icon, you can name this group. So let me name this group demo. So I have named this group, and I have added 3 members in this group, including me. It's gonna be 4. So that's basically how you make a group chat on Snapchat. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment as well. See you guys in a bit. Bye bye.